Okay, I am doing a fluid change on my wife's 2010 Prius. And this can be applied to manual transmission cars and stuff too, but almost every video I've looked at online uses a hand pump to fill the transmission, which seems like a pain in the butt to me. So I thought I would share how I do it. So I take a small funnel, attach it up top, and I run a clear tube all the way down. We'll come underneath here and I run it into the fill hole right there. So I have found that letting gravity do the work is a lot easier than pumping it. So it takes a lot less time. That's that too. So I thought that I would share that simple bit. I already drained the fluid out, so I'll put the drain bolt back in and we'll fill it up. So I have the drain bolt back in. I've got my tube in place. So now, to just show you how truly simple this is, instead of pumping it, let's take a quart of your fluid and let gravity do its thing. I mean, really, how simple is that? I've always found those hand pumps to be a pain in the butt anyway. And then you're having to change from one quart to the next. This way, you get all the fluid out and you're good to go. So then just add however much fluid that your transmission calls for. And if you want to let it drain, sometimes I can get it to stay there. Well, this one doesn't want to do it, but you can let it drip dry if you want. A little bigger funnel. So anyway, top tip for you. Hope that helps.